How did a small 150-year-old village shrine transform into this massive architectural marvel? This is the incredible rise of the Padamatali temple. Hi everyone, I am Rupa Vemana and welcome to my channel. The origin of this temple is not known, however, it is believed to be over 150 years. In 1993, temple was reconstructed in such a grand manner that it came to be known by many people. Legend behind Mahishasura Mardini, a form of Goddess Durga, is quite popular. Mahishasura was an Asura born to King Ramba and Asura and a beautiful princess Shyamala, who because of course turned into a she-buffalo. King Ramba had magical powers, so he turned himself into a buffalo and married Shyamala. Mahishasura was born with the head of a buffalo and body of a human. He also had magical powers by which he could turn into a human or a buffalo. Mahishasura wanted to conquer the world and so he performed severe austerities toward Lord Brahma. Mahishasura was seeking immortality. However, Lord Brahma refused, saying that no human or asura could become immortal. However, Lord Brahma granted Mahishasura more powers and also the boon that Mahishasura could be slain only by a woman. He was much pleased as he thought it was next to impossible as no woman could match his powers. He then started attacking all the three worlds and created havoc amidst everyone. Devas approached the Trimurtis, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma. All three of them best owned their powers on Goddess Parvati, thus creating Goddess Durga. Goddess Durga was incarnated with 10 hands with weapons, one in each hand, which was provided by the gods and goddess, having lion as her vehicle. Armed with all these weapons, she marched towards Mahishasura, who managed to wage a fierce battle initially. Later on, seeing her immense surge of power, Mahishasura fled from the battlefield, changing his forms first to a buffalo, then to a lion, and later on as an elephant. However, Goddess Durga fervently chased him, threw a noose around his neck, pounced on him, threw Mahishasura on the ground, keeping her left leg over him, holding his head in one hand, stabbed him with the spear given by Lord Shiva. She then beheaded him with one of her 10 hands and brought an end to him. Since Goddess Durga slayed Mahishasura, she is referred to as Mahishasura Mardini.